Hello, diligent students of fashion. So sometimes you don't want an elaborate sleeve, but at the same time you don't want your sleeve looking boring. Here is an option for you. It's a very simple sleeve, but it's very attractive. So you're going to need your the half of your basic sleeve pattern. At the hem, you're going to mark 2.5 inches, and also the length can be whatever length you want your sleeve to be, but it works very well with a long sleeve. Then from your 2.5 inch mark, draw a slash line to the tip of the sleeve like so, then cut it out. Then you are going to go ahead and spread. Okay, you're going to spread as much as you want your fold to be. I'm going to be using 6 inches, but if you want a deeper fold, you can do more than 6 inches. So go ahead and place this on another pattern paper and then tape it down like so. So this is what you are going to have. We're going to mark the midpoint like so, then just fold it the way I'm folding it before you cut it out. And this is what your pattern is going to be like. So this part is your center fold and it's going to be cut on fold. So go ahead and cut your fabric, and this is what the full pattern is going to look like. So when you get to the sewing machine, you can just fold it like this and use your stitch to hold it down, so that it's going to be easy when you want to attach it to your armhole. Okay, so let's go to the sewing machine and do whatever we want to do. So I was explaining that for the hemming, you can leave it free or you can put a band or whatever you want. So let's go ahead and fold this. I'm doing this slow so that you can see the way I'm doing. I'm folding it. I'm just following the markings that I already have on my pattern, and then I'm using my stitch to hold it down, so that when I want to attach it to the armhole, everything is not just falling apart. Everything is just staying in place. I use a fabric that is very soft and it's a cotton fabric, but I guess if you use a stiffer fabric, it will still come out fine. In fact, a thick fabric, or not actually a thick fabric, but a fabric that is stiff, like maybe something like a Mikado or something, it will make it stay better than something like a cotton fabric or chiffon. Anyways, just use any fabric that works for you. So after holding that down, go ahead and join your side seam. So you can just hem your do your hem like that, but I want it to be a little bit firm. I don't want to band. I'm just going to add an elastic. So cut an elastic that is enough for the part of the arm that your sleeve will be stopping at. So okay, so this is the wrist, so I just got enough elastic for the wrist area, and then just stretch it over it, turn it, and it's as simple as that. Your sleeve is ready. Go ahead and attach it to your armhole, and it's not something elaborate, but it's quite different. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.